Some areas likely close to the Wood and Smith County line might have dropped into the upper 50s. It was 61 this morning.
Nice little tease for the fall.
Yeah, in Mineola. Let's take a look at the almanac for today. 95 the high today, 67 was the morning low. 95 is average for this time of the year. Some other highs around the area. 92 over in Marshall. Look at Mineola and Gilmer, 91. But over Deep East Texas, Lufkin made it up to 98, Crockett to 97. All right, next couple of days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in particular. Highs in orange, or the record highs, or the forecast highs are in orange, sorry. The current record highs are in yellow. I'm confusing myself because it's hard to imagine, but 108 on Friday will shatter the existing record of 106. 108 Saturday, that breaks the existing record of 107 on Saturday, and then we tie the record on Sunday. The average high is around 95 degrees. Caldwell Zoo Cam right now, 96 degrees, so we added another degree to that temperature. We've got variable winds at 4 miles an hour. Look at this dew point, 48. That air feels so nice. It'll still feel decent tomorrow, but the temperature is what's going to take off as we warm to about 104 tomorrow. Right now, 96 in Henderson, 97 at Crockett and Groveton, lower 90s at Gilmer, 89 at Mount Pleasant. We'll widen things out. Our high pressure system that brought us the cool weather is moving away. Look at all these pinks from western Kansas through West Texas, San Angelo, San Antonio up to 103 today. That hot air moves back into East Texas tomorrow. Overnight tonight, not bad. Near 70 for the overnight low, 67 in Henderson, 68 in Lufkin, 67 at Marshall overnight, Palestine around 70 degrees. Planner for tomorrow, it's like a microwave. We're already up to 94 by noon, so it starts off cool, but it warms quickly all the way to 104 with a light south-southwest wind. Temperatures topping out at 103 in Jacksonville. That's a toasty 103 at Gilmer and a hot 103 at Nacogdoches. And this high-pressure system will build right over the area over the weekend. And because it's sitting right on top of us, we're maximizing the potential that it can heat us up. And it indeed will as we warm up to around, as I said, 108 Friday and Saturday, 107 on Sunday, 104 on Monday. All right, let's talk about the tropics. Not much going on right now, but the National Hurricane Center looking at this area in the Gulf for a 20% chance of a tropical wave forming. One piece of data does have that wave forming and then moving east to west through the Gulf. I'm going to show you what it does. I think it forms off the Florida coast. This would be Sunday evening. It's all quiet here. The high pressure system that brings us the heat begins to retreat. This is a key player in this forecast. If it follows this path, this low, watch its movement, can move back into the central Gulf. And this is not coming with a ton of rain, or ton of wind. It would bring a steady soaking rain to parts of East Texas, especially deep East Texas, as it moves around that high. If that high settles a little farther south, it'll push that tropical wave farther south. So right now, I think the solution that I just showed you is how things are going to play out. All right, another nice night tonight as we dip down to about 70 for the overnight low with south-southeast winds at 5 miles an hour. Baylor Scott White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. The heat alerts return tomorrow. It's very hot and humid up to 104. We'll have a near record high Friday, if not a record high, and again on Saturday, and again on Sunday. More clouds Monday, and right now I'm going with a 40% chance of rain. Temperatures falling back into the mid-90s because of that tropical wave. We'll have another update coming up tonight at 6.
Alrighty.